we are gonna be building a Lego elephant, and she just got that sword because she's just playing her own thing. And it's just for her own to so because I think she doesn't really want to do this, but I also included a tail to the elephant. Let's get started on building an elephant. Okay. Hey, we're back from building the elephant. Speaking of elephant, where'd the elephant go? Where'd it go? Oh, there it is. How'd you? Oh my gosh! How'd you get so broken down there? So this guy does fall apart. He's hard to build. He's hard to build because he falls apart. And the hard thing about it is it's just these Legos are kind of hard. But thanks for watching. Bye. Hope you like building an elephant with us.